Well, here's our first example. Both equations are already written in a slope-intercept form, which is the most convenient format for graphing. All we need is the slope and y-intercept, which are m is our slope, rise over run, and that's how we will graph it. And then b is our y-intercept, and this is the point where the line crosses the y-axis. Let's take a look at our first equation. Our m, the slope, is 2. So since it's a whole number, we have to make it into a fraction. So our rise will be 2, and then our run will be 1. Okay, and our y-intercept is 1. Let's go ahead and graph that. So y-intercept is 1, so I'm going to count 1 on the y-axis. Remember I said it has to cross the y-axis. So that is the point where the line crosses the y-axis. Let's go ahead and graph our next point, which is using the slope. So the slope is 2, which will be our rise, and then 1, which will be our run. So rise, we're going to go up since it's a positive slope, and then run, we're going to go towards right, again, because it's a positive slope. Let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to go up 2, and then we're going to run 1. And then we're going to put our point right there. Okay, let's do that again, going up 2 and 1, up 2 and 1. I think we're ready to draw a line. Let's go ahead and work with our second equation. Our slope is -1. -1 over 1. Okay, so our y-intercept is 7. That means we start with our y-intercept, go up to 7. So on a y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's our point where the line is crossing the y-axis, and now our slope is negative, so therefore it's -1 over 1. So we're going to rise, that means we're going to go down, and then run, we're still going to go towards right. And if you keep this method going when it's a positive slope going up to the right, and then for negative slope going down to the right, you will always get the lines plotted correctly. So let's go ahead and do that. 1 over 1. Again, we're going to go down 1 and then to the side 1. And here we're going to put our point. We're going to do that again. 1 over 1, 1 over 1, and 1 over 1. We should have enough points to draw a line. Alrighty, here's our line. And the point of intersection will be our solution. Let's go ahead and check what is that point. It will be right over here, and that point is 2, 5. That is our solution. And here's what you need to know. So when the lines are crossing, there is only one solution. What does this mean in real life situation? Imagine two friends are traveling and they have a meeting point, and one of them is closer, that means traveling a bit slower, and the other one is a bit further away and traveling faster. And they will meet after 2 hours, and their travel distance will be 5 miles. So our x-axis will show travel time, and then our y-axis will show traveled distance. Pat on your back, great work today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Teaching Math so you never miss a step-by-step lesson. Remember, learning math takes patience, practice, and perseverance. See you on the next one.